Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a chicken, and you can use this chicken for Christmas if you don't want to make a turkey. And if you want a fast dinner, you can always make this chicken, especially if we work on the date of Christmas, okay? So I'm going to start with the ingredients. Over here I have 8 chicken thighs, and this ones are with the bone. And I have a couple of carrots that I'm using. It's probably half of the bag, and these are the baby carrots, and I just cut them in half. And I have around 10 garlics, rosemary, and 1 medium onion, okay? And I have these potatoes that I'm going to be using too, and they come in a bag like this. This is the name of the potatoes, and they're in different colors, okay? And for the spices, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of onion powder. I have a teaspoon of rosemary. I have a teaspoon of thyme, and I have a teaspoon of chile powder. And this one is the one that I'm using. I'm using the spicy one, but you can use the one that you want, okay? And I'm gonna be using 1 cup of chicken broth and 1/4 of a cup of white cooking wine, okay? And this one is the one that I'm using, but you can use any one you want, okay? So I'm going to be mixing all the spices over here. And we're going to put them to the chicken, okay? Oh, and 1 tablespoon of salt, okay? That's what I put in here too. I was forgetting the salt. But the salt is on your taste, okay? Okay, I mix it. Now we're gonna put it on the chicken. And this is the container where I'm gonna be cooking the chicken. And I already put olive oil on the bottom. So we just gonna seasoning the chicken like this. So I'm gonna finish seasoning all the chicken, and then we go to the next step, okay? So this is how the chicken looks now, and we still got a little seasoning over here left, okay? And you can put the vegetables that you want. If you don't want to put the potatoes or the carrots, you can always replace them with something else that you like. I like potatoes, so I'm putting a lot over here, but if you don't want a lot, you don't have to put a lot, okay? Just like that. And now it's time for the onion and for the carrots. And if you have a bigger container, use the bigger container. Mine is too small. But I don't have a bigger one, so I'm gonna use this one. That right there. And I rinse my chicken in cold water with a lot of lemon, okay? Now we're gonna put the chicken broth right here. Let me leave a little bit so I can put the wine in here. And I'm putting 1/4 of a cup of white cooking wine, or you can put like 4 or 5 tablespoons, okay? Put it here. And now we put the rest of the seasoning on top. And this chicken is real good, you know, and real fast to make. And I already turned on the oven in 315 Fahrenheit. And now I'm going to cover the chicken with a foil and I'm going to put it in there. So it's going to go in there for about 1 hour and a half or 2 hours, okay? So now it's in the oven and we're going to leave it there for 1 hour and a half or 2 hours. So now we're going to uncover it. So I'm gonna fix it with all the vegetables on the bottom and the chicken on the top. So we're gonna leave it there like for another 30 minutes. Okay, so this is how it looks when it's already done. So after 2 hours, and I put a cup of cranberries on top. It's cranberry sauce, I made it. But if you don't like it, you can always skip it. And I put a little olive oil on top of the chicken with a brush. That way the chicken can be more roasted. And this is a real easy recipe to make. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe and thank you for watching all my videos. Like and subscribe.